one of the many functions of the human liver is acting like a detoxification center for our body. Most of our blood passes and is filtered through the liver. So the toxins that we ingest, usually through food, are trapped in the liver, broken down and eventually expelled through urine or feces. It's the same with alcohol. The large majority of what we drink is broken down or metabolized in the liver. Now the problem is that when the liver metabolizes alcohol, it first converts it into an even more toxic molecule called acetaldehyde. So because of its chemical structure, acetaldehyde is a highly reactive molecule. In other words, it likes to interact with anything that it encounters inside a cell, including proteins and DNA. And whatever acetaldehyde interacts with, it basically destroys. Over time, this action of acetaldehyde on the molecular level leads to visible and often life-changing liver disease. Alcoholic liver disease can progress through three separate but largely overlapping stages. First, there is fatty liver disease. This is almost universal among heavy drinkers, and it's the stage where excess fat begins to be deposited in the liver. The liver swells up as it literally becomes fat, but there aren't any other visible symptoms. Now, the second stage is alcoholic hepatitis. Here, the liver becomes inflamed, and the damage to the liver cells becomes so extensive that scar tissue begins to form, replacing previous healthy tissue. If left unchecked, this may progress to cirrhosis. This is irreversible end-stage liver disease. Here, the liver scarring becomes so extensive that the liver actually ceases to function properly. And depending on the severity, at this point, you basically have a few months or years left to live.